Hi, hello. Um, Welcome to just me baking a pie, I guess. I don't know how long I'm going to stay. I think I need to go take my brother to the ER with my dad, but that is not set in stone yet. Ignore that sound. Those are my birds. They kind of just do that. Anyways, let's make a pie. So, in here, I have 2.5 cups of all purpose flour. I need, let me check my recipe. I created this recipe about 3 years ago, I think. I just have it in my notes app. I need 6 tablespoons of ice water, which is what I'm going to get right now, and then a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, and then 2 sticks of butter, or 8 ounces, cut into half-inch cubes. And the flour's already in here. I already put it in off camera. So now I need to get the ice water. I've been feeling kind of like sluggish all day, and there's a lot of things I need to do, but I don't want to do them. Only reason I'm doing this is because I like making pies, and no, that's basically it. Um, I need to clean my room. It's kind of a mess right now. I need to start packing because I leave in a few days to go back to college. Um, and my clothes are just kind of everywhere in the room. There's random things in my room. There's a plate up there. No, I brought that down today actually. So I'm getting a little better, but not quite. Let's see. Teaspoons, what I said, right? I I just kind of estimate at this point. I don't really. I used to use like measuring cups and be super like, oh, it has to be exactly this. Because they used to say, baking and cooking is what, chemistry or science or something like that. And in chemistry and science, you have to be like super specific and super accurate. Um, Otherwise, the experiment just won't go as planned, and then there's room for error. Um, and sorry, I'm texting. I'm texting my boyfriend. I'm texting you. Yeah, I'm texting you. No one's watching this right now, by the way. Um, but yeah. You know what? Sorry. Um, I just forgot how to spell. I confuse antibiotic and antibacterial sometimes. Probably not good, especially for the area of expertise I wanted to go to as a nurse. I don't think I have to do any of that with like doctor. Maybe I do. No, I don't. No, I don't think the heart can get any sort of like bacterial disease. Holy shoot. Um, this sugar, by the way, used to be in that big apple that you see back here. This huge apple, size of my head, I guess, used to just be filled with sugar. And now there's no sugar in it, which is why it's in this bag. Um, I was gonna say something else. I completely forgot. What am I doing with this bag? How do I close this? What was I saying? I was saying something and I completely forgot. Chemistry. Chemistry. This is science. Um, Last year in my chemistry lab class, you were, yeah, there's someone here. You were there for that. Um, the reason I keep saying there's no one here is because if someone is watching me at this very moment, I don't want them to feel like I'm speaking directly at them because it's not aimed at them. It's aimed at you. Also, can you hear me? It says that my microphone is not picking up. I guess we'll see. Maybe I should do like, can I do captions? Like, is that I can't do captions, can I? I think I can. I cannot. No, I cannot. Okay, that's fine. Teaspoon of salt. Are we out of salt? No, we're not. I can feel it. Yeah, that looks like a teaspoon. More sodium, I guess. We were doing. What were we doing? I don't remember what it's called. I think I sent you a video. It had this like long tube pipe thing, and there was like a canister at the bottom. It's like glass graduated cylinder, and it had some sort of liquid inside. And it started off as one color. I think it was like yellow or something. And then this huge pipette looking thing that to be suspended in these like metal clamps. It was just slowly like dripping, and that was our entire class. We had to prepare the solution that went into that graduated cylinder, and then the one that went up into the pipette, and we had to heat something up. We had to heat the graduated cylinder up, like it was like on this like hot plate thingy. I don't really know what it's called, but it was hot, and we just put it on there, and we had to keep it at a certain temperature for a certain amount of time, and then change the temperature depending on something, and then we had to record the volume at which it started and then the volume at which it ended. And the experiments ended. You only got the experiment right, and you could be considered done when I don't know if you guys saw that, but anyways, there was like a bunch of like confetti coming down. It was like one drop at a time. We're just sitting there watching drip, drip, and I'm gonna turn this on. Hey, Dad. Vamos a irnos? Vamos a irnos? Sí. Okay. I have to go, but I just have flour, sugar, and salt in here. Nothing major has happened yet. I need to go put the butter back in the fridge because it has to be cold. It can't be room temperature or soft or anything. So I will be back later.